Good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down, then we see. Very, very nice day yesterday, very fast, very early, quick. And today, let's talk a little bit about trading, being smart, not doing silly stuff. I mean, look, guys, I know what you guys do. I did it in 92, 93, 94. Go in there, borrow 1,000, borrow 5,000, do one trade for 5,000. It goes down, say 50%. Say you buy it at $1, it goes to 50 cents. You sell it, it goes up to $3. You get pissed off. You buy it at $3, it goes to $1. You got wiped. That's stupid. Okay, we keep telling you this. Yesterday, we had snow at 1. We sold them at 5. Huge winner. Huge winner, and rolled up to the 170s at 33 cents. And they went to $1.20. And I get a message later in the day that says, Sam, I didn't have the first one, and I have a small account, so I loaded it in snow at 33 cents. Okay? Small account. So if you bought, say, 10, that's $330. If you bought 20, and that's your whole account, that's $600. But it went to $1.30 and you still didn't sell it. But you didn't sell it at $1.20. You didn't sell it at $1.10. You didn't sell it at 90 cents. You didn't sell it at 80 cents. 80 cents, you're up 150%. You didn't sell it at 70 cents. You didn't sell it at 66 cents, which is a double. Sam, is it going to go up the rest of this week? Who knows? Maybe, not, right? So, interesting, right? Hold on a sec. Okay, so how is that smart? Okay? Now, very, very interesting. I'm just telling you. In trading, we tell you what we do, you make decisions. If your decisions suck, get better at making decisions. Okay? I mean, look at me. I just sold these SPXs because I know there's an auction coming up. And if the auction is bad and we go over 5%, we're going to give back all 200 SPX. It's going to go straight down for the next 3 days. I know this. And every position we have, and now we sold a bunch of stuff this week, so it doesn't matter. We'll be zero. So I sold them, and I took some of the profit, and I put it into the next one. So mine are free. They're free. Now, if you didn't sell them, and it goes down, and you message, that means you don't understand trading, because they were $6 yesterday. Okay? Everything was up. NVIDIA was up 50 cents. Adobe, we took 1 to 5. CMG was up $3. Lam Research was up 50 cents. Lilly was up $4. Snow was up $1. Every single thing but Celsius, that went to shit, was up. Microsoft was up a double. Have to trade them, guys. Have to trade them. Thinking you're going to catch the moon on every single play is not so smart. And what you want to be is you want to be smart. You want to be smart, okay? Now, we told you this news is coming. I don't know what's going to happen. But we're close to 4.5. If we break that, then we can go way up. I mean, monster ripper, okay? Here's the thing that I learned way back in 92, 93. And what I learned is there's always the next trade. Let's say you took these snows and you have a small account, and so let's say you bought 20 of them, and let's say they go to $50. So you make $100,000. Okay, you make $100,000. I'm willing to bet you have, after you sold that, you don't even wait an hour. I'm willing to bet within an hour you have all $100,000 put into different places. And if it drops to $50,000, you sell them all, and you put $50,000 into one play, and that goes to zero. I'm pretty positive. I've done it. I know. If you go to Vegas and you're betting $10 a hand, and you get up 100, then you say, oh my God, you bet 100 and you go back to 10. Now you bet 50 on the next one. Now you're down. And then you bet another 50. You're down. Now you're down 100. That's what people do. Don't do that. Go slow. You're going to have an opportunity the rest of your life to trade. Take your money, move it to a different account, enjoy it, buy wifey something nice, buy your girlfriend something nice, buy yourself something nice, buy your kids stuff, enjoy yourself, okay? So today, we're up huge on everything, still. But you got news coming, and that news may or may not change it. I don't know. I get the feeling it wants to go up, but I'm not positive. We'll see. And that's what trading is. Okay, next thing. Outside of this news event, the market is up 200 points. Being down 20 or being down 10 is not down. If Microsoft goes from 330 to 360, if it goes to 359, it's not crashing. What I'm trying to tell you is when I see people say stuff, it's in your subconscious. Don't let it be in your subconscious, right? Okay? Don't say silly stuff. Okay? Now, clouds are moving. Datadog ripped. Snow looks like it wants to go. MDB exploded higher. Amazon Web Services is now in play, so Amazon looks higher. Okay? Today, Roblox did better. Roblox garbage stock did better. UPST garbage again. And then we see. Okay? Lilly, very interesting today because if it can take out the 606, 609, this is a rocket ship. This will be fun. But we're going to sell the first batch. We have 3 batches. Pretty fast. Why? Because now it's a Wednesday. It's not a Monday. On a Monday, if you buy something that goes 1 to 4 and it goes back to 3 and you decide to hold it, you still have 4 days. Today, let's say you had something and it goes 1 to 4 and it goes to 2 because you have less premium, you only have 2 days left. If it goes down tomorrow, you're gone. Trading 101. Okay, that's what we know. SPX is, what is it? SPX is up 2. SPX 2. 4380, 4381, 4400 round number, 4409 accelerator, but it's all about rates. Okay? I can't stress that enough, all about rates. It's not about anything else. Avago trying to go 906, 926. NVIDIA, 461. How perfect is that number? 461, 469, underneath 451. Adobe looks like a breakup. It looks like it may get... I actually like the 495. The 595s at 1. They're going to be more than that. They're going to be $1.50. No, they're going to be $2.50. Actually, like if he would have popped down to 583, I like the 595s at 1. I think it can get to 600 if the market is good. Netflix on Disney earnings. Disney's garbage. Let me tell you, I can fix Disney in 5 minutes. I can make the stock go up 50% in 5 minutes. Make me the CEO of Disney and I can get your stock up in 5 minutes. I just say I'm closing up Disney Plus and I'm licensing for $5 billion to Netflix. So you make $5 billion instead of losing $5 billion every year. You're now positive. They think they're going to make $5 billion. They're not going to make $5 billion for 10 years in Disney Plus. Let me tell you the fact of Disney Plus. I know you guys don't. Some of you guys own Disney and don't like to hear this. Nobody wants to watch Little Mermaid 500 times. If you have kids, they do. But those are the kids watching. You're not going to get 500 million people paying you to watch all these Disney shows. They're all kids shows. Not going to happen. Now, all the people with families with kids will do that. But that's 1/2 the population or less. You have less potential people. And they don't understand that. They did so many things wrong, Disney Plus, you can't make it up. Let me tell you other things that Disney did wrong. This is Bob Iger. The people there, he's smart. He's not. He's one of the most non-smart people you've ever met. Let's get rid of DVDs. Get rid of DVDs so that all these kids and everybody can stream. Jesus. You go to a Disney park. If you went to a Disney park, just go in there. People are buying 20 DVDs. And I understand nobody watches DVDs. But they do. The families still do. And they put it on a loop. And the same kid watches it 100 times. So let's not charge $50 for a DVD, but let's charge $5 for streaming. So one DVD is 1 year of streaming. Pretty terrible, right? It's pretty terrible. They don't know how to make money. And then they just raise prices again. So Disney's going to be garbage. Does that help Netflix or not? I don't know. Netflix is slowing down here. 436, 452, because remember I told you, I don't like Netflix. I think it's garbage too right now. They just want to raise prices. Okay? And it had the move. But next time we see the move coming, we'll go buy it again, because that's what we do. Okay? CMG. There's 2076 very hard. If it can get through there today, 2100, 2164, 66, Lamb Research, 652, Lilly, 606, 609, 616, 632. Snowman, 163, 169. MDB, 386, 400. MicroStrategy, Bitcoin needs 36,000. CELH. So it turns out that the CEO did dumb stuff. He beats the stocks at 196, and he says Pepsi, who's one of their distributors, seems to be ordering less from them. He's not positive what's happening, but he just said they're ordering less. So they took it down. Interesting, right? Interesting. BKNG, 3030. If this can open over 3030, it can explode to 3100. Can you imagine it goes to 3100? That means our 2900s that we sold at 63 will be 200. Interesting. SMCI, still in the void. Got a message. Look, I'm telling you, you guys are not listening. Okay? 90% are listening. Okay? Let me tell you something. If something misses and goes down, it's in a void for 4 to 6 weeks. Doesn't mean it doesn't go up. Just don't play it. Because you won't make money on it. If premiums are too high and it won't move enough. SMCI went down. Till SMCI gets to 280, it's a don't touch, or it takes another 3-4 weeks. Okay? But I understand you're stubborn because you know everything. So it's okay. Be stubborn. Okay? I'm telling you, I've mapped it. For 5 years, I mapped things that went down. Over 100 things that went down. And I looked at what options you could buy and would they make money. And they didn't make money. 95% of them, you lose money if you keep playing them 4 to 6 weeks. That's why we don't do it. Doesn't mean it's a bad play. It just means it's not going to go. NVIDIA popped yesterday, and it didn't go. Okay? Here's the thing. People are lazy. You're inherently lazy. Okay? People on the Twitter side, yes, are very lazy. Just lazy. Inherently lazy. Don't be lazy. Before you say, oh my God, Celsius is great, going to go to 200. 4 to 6 weeks is an avoid. Then I'll probably go to 200. Okay? Just, it didn't go up. So just take it off your screen. I understand you bought it, but if you buy 5 things and you sell Lam Research at a double, you sell Adobe at a double, you sell Snow at a triple and 4X, you're fine. Oh, but I missed this one. Don't do that. Microsoft. This one looks like 366. NOW, 622. And Tesla. There's a rumor that Tesla is going to raise prices tonight. I don't know if that's true, but if they raise prices across the board, I don't think they're going to. Then the stock is 226232. I don't know if it happens, but I know that's a rumor. And rumors, you decide what to do. That's what we know. That's what we know. Okay, everybody have a great trade day. Stay in check.